to Moo here, and today I'm at Welkin Mill, and there are 2.5 lifts here, put it that way. Well, since we found this, so there's a lift here, and here's the button. Nice lift coming indicator. It's going to come up. Here it is. Then you hear some strange whirring sound. That's it leveling it. And it's here now. Right, here it is. So it's got a very large door here and a smaller one over here. So this one has a lot of floors. We will go down to the ground floor. Here we go. So there's the other exit. And then if we look this way, you'll see the other door here. Whoa! No, it's still leveling. And here we are. We'll go back up to floor 2 and then we'll cut ahead to the next lift. Here we go. There goes that floor. I like the motor on this. We'll try not to bounce around too much because it's very old. And Dad, I'm not promoting you to do that. Please don't. Sneak you back. And you got that. It just goes up a lot more. Here is floor 1, I think. Oh no, this is floor 2 apparently. Look how slow it levels. I'm not moving my camera right now and it moves down very slowly. So we will now come out. Here is the call button over there. And we'll close the door. And then we'll do the cut. Please. Reminds me of my old video of this where that helps me move the door. But, oh, is it going there? No. But anyway, I will now cut ahead to the next lift. Right, here is the next lift. It's very echoey here. We'll call the lift. Here it comes. This one has a better motor, I think. Here it is. This one, despite being public, has less levelling ability, stroke it's single speed. So we will get in. Just close it. Oh yeah, it's got a light switch. Very dark. Very bright. Wait, after we go down, should we do a dark ride up, Dad? So we'll press G. Here we go. We are officially moving on. Now you may notice that the other lift was a lot bigger and it had a V door. Whoa! That scared the hell out of me. Right, so we will do a dark ride up because my name is Captain Moo Moo. So we'll switch the light off. Wait, we'll switch it on. Put that there. Okay, let me just turn it off. And then send it up. Ha ha ha! Oh, this is amazing. Wow. We're going to stop. Go to the next floor in it, yeah. Almost here. And there you go. And we'll turn the light back on. And we'll get out. That was fun. Oh. There. These doors are very stiff. Min. Okay. And before I go, I said there's 2.5 lifts, so I may as well show you this other half lift. Alright, so here is the half a lift. Now, you may be asking, what on earth is that? Well, yeah, there's a lift here, but yes, you can see the motor and the cable drum, the selector, I think that is, looks like some sort of worm gear system. There's a drum and here's a door. That shaft goes all the way out to here. So yeah, I'll show you what it's like on the other floors. Here it is on the 4th floor, bricked off. On the 3rd floor, the door's there. Next one down, just track of the floors, bricks off again. On the next floor down, you have this again. This one has a rather new looking padlock on. Must have been installed when it was decommissioned. This one is by far the best and you will be shocked by it. The door is there, but the door is open. There's that chain. There's the car up there. That's slight error. Let me just get the camera back into focus. But if you look up there, there's the car. Then you've got some plastic bags down there. Sorry, the camera isn't focusing very well. Okay, sorry about that again. We were just getting the camera into focus. You'll see these rotten guide rails, a pipe, a drain thing, a switch, there's the car again. But yeah, that I think we better just stay away from that. This would have been attached to the car, I suspect. But anyway, that has been Captain Moo showing you 2.5 lifts at Welkin Mill. So, bye. Oh, better not get too close, shouldn't I?